Today, I will tell you the story of a man who changed history forever. His name was Augustus. He was the first emperor of Rome. But his journey did not start with power. It started with fear, loss, and courage. Augustus was born in 63 BC. His real name was Gaius Octavius. He was born into a normal Roman family. No one thought he would become a great leader one day. When Octavius was still young, his life changed suddenly. His uncle was Julius Caesar, the most powerful man in Rome. Caesar saw something special in the young boy. He trained him, he guided him, and finally, he adopted him as his son. Then one day, everything collapsed. Julius Caesar was killed by his enemies. Rome was full of chaos. People were afraid. The city was divided. Octavius was only 18 years old at that time. He was young. He was inexperienced. But he was brave. Caesar had left a will. In that will, Caesar named Octavius as his heir. Now the young boy had a big responsibility. Many powerful men wanted to destroy him. One of them was Mark Antony. Antony was strong, popular, and dangerous. At first, Octavius and Antony worked together. They shared power with another man named Lepidus. This group was called the Second Triumvirate. But peace did not last long. Soon, jealousy and greed grew between them. Rome again moved toward war. Mark Antony fell in love with Queen Cleopatra of Egypt. This made Roman people angry. They thought Antony had forgotten Rome. Octavius used this moment wisely. He spoke to the people. He promised peace. He promised stability. Finally, war broke out. The biggest battle was the Battle of Actium. Octavius fought against Antony and Cleopatra. It was a hard fight, but Octavius won. Mark Antony and Cleopatra lost everything. Later, they ended their own lives. Now Octavius stood alone at the top. But here is what made him special. He did not call himself king. He did not call himself dictator. He was smart. In 27 BC, the Roman Senate gave him a new name. That name was Augustus. It meant the honored one. Augustus said he was restoring the Republic, but in reality, he controlled everything. The army listened to him. The Senate respected him. The people trusted him. For the first time in many years, Rome had peace. This time is called Pax Romana, the Roman peace. It lasted for almost 200 years. Under Augustus, Rome became strong. Roads were built, cities were improved, laws were organized, trade increased. He also cared about culture. Poetry, art, and literature grew. Rome became not just powerful, but beautiful. Augustus once said, "I found Rome a city of bricks, and left it a city of marble." But Augustus was not perfect. He made strict laws. He controlled people's private lives. He punished those who broke moral rules. Even his own family suffered. His daughter was sent away from Rome because of these laws. Power always has a price. Augustus ruled Rome for more than 40 years. That is a very long time. People trusted him because he gave them stability. In 14 AD, Augustus died peacefully. Rome mourned him. The Senate declared him a god. His legacy lived on. After Augustus, Rome continued as an empire. He showed the world that power is not only about strength. It is about patience, intelligence, and timing. From a young boy to the greatest ruler of Rome, Augustus proved one thing. True power comes to those who stay calm in chaos and wise in victory. This was the story of Augustus, A story of ambition. A story of control. A story that changed history forever.